What's up, guys? Welcome back to Wicked Wrench Motorsports. Today we're going to prep a 2020 and up water pump for a hot rod setup. You're going to find this setup on the L84, the L87, and the L8T engine from 2020 and up. First thing you're going to want to do is check and make sure that you have these two bosses in your water pump already drilled and tapped. If you do, then we're all set and ready to go. When you're doing a clean swap, you don't want this ugly factory burp tube. It's completely unnecessary. So let's clean this up and remove it. Let's get right to it. And if you're missing any of the parts, they are available on our website. All right, let's go over the supplies that you need to order first, and then make sure we have the tools, which we're using everyday tools, so that shouldn't be an issue. First off, some Loctite 592 or equivalent to seal the plug, a 2164 drill bit, of course the plug, I prefer to use the Allen style so that you don't see it popping up, an NPT 8th tap, and then of course our everyday tools, pair of vice grip, or channel locks, I'm sorry, robo grips, pliers, whatever you have to pull that out, an Allen wrench or wrench that you're going to use for putting the plug in, a wrench or something for the tap, and then I like to have handy a dull chisel or something in case the nipple breaks off and you got it. All right, let's get to it. So we've already verified that we have these two drilled and tapped. Now we're going to start removing this. That came out pretty easy. Sometimes they're a little bit harder. Get our drill here. Make sure you drill it straight. I leave it dry. I don't put anything on it. We can blow all that out. All right, let's tap it now. Again, make sure that it's straight. Just do it slowly. Take your time. Slowly tap. Remember that NPT gets bigger as you go deeper, so you don't want to go too deep. Just deep enough. Check, make sure it's deep enough. Hand thread it in at first until it gets tight, and then you can start running it in. We're going to go a little bit deeper. Just till you start to feel it grabbing again and getting tight. We'll just go a few more turns down. Coming out nice and smooth. Blow it out again real quick. We'll grab our plug and our sealant. Put a little on it. Well, that wasn't a little, that was a lot, wasn't it? And thread it on in. Clean it up. And that's it. Want it about that depth. And there you go. Your water pump's all drilled and tapped. Just like that. We went from that to this. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, like and subscribe, and give us some suggestions on what you'd like us to make a video on next. Thanks, guys.